I don't know if you do this, but I've always kind of done this, and I'm trying to teach our son to do. If you want to get confident, when you're going through your life, take a second when you see something, when something's going on, if there's a machine, this is going to sound weird, but this will give you all the confidence in the world. Try and figure out why that's happening. How does that machine work? How does that thing work? If you can start to figure out how things work in life, all of a sudden, all the fears go away. It's like back to Craig Kelly, dude. You're just going to go up and you're going slower than you are.
Yeah, dumb it down.
Dumb it down. How does that work? How does that? And if you can be curious, I think curiosity is one of the first things that will allow you to be confident, because there's nothing on this planet that is not some super mystery, you know? And
Right. Someone's figured it out.
someone's figured it out, right? And just be curious. Like, if I was to do that, how would it happen? Do some research. We're all walking around with devices. Ask ChatGPT. Like, how does this particular thing work? Or how does that work? And I think when you start to demystify life, you'll naturally be a lot more confident.
I think that's huge.